Hey longevity seekers, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a fascinating question that might just revolutionize how you think about your health. Can simply skipping meals actually help you live longer and healthier? It sounds almost too good to be true, right? But the science behind intermittent fasting suggests it might be a powerful anti-aging strategy, going far beyond just weight loss. So, what exactly is intermittent fasting, or IF? It's not a diet in the traditional sense, where you're focused on what you eat, but rather when you eat. It involves alternating periods of eating and fasting. There are several popular regimens being explored. Alternate day fasting. This involves alternating between days of normal eating and days of very low calorie intake, or even no food. You eat normally for 5 days of the week and restrict your calorie intake significantly on 2 non-consecutive days. Other approaches might include daily time-restricted eating, like only eating within an 8-hour window each day, and fasting for the remaining 16 hours. The key takeaway here is that IF can mimic the anti-aging effects of caloric restriction without constant calorie counting. And that's where the real magic, backed by science, begins. Many people start intermittent fasting for weight loss, and it is effective for that, particularly in reducing abdominal fat. But the anti-aging benefits go much deeper than shedding pounds. Research indicates that intermittent fasting can significantly improve cognitive function, boost metabolic health, and enhance cardiovascular markers. Let's break down some of the key scientific findings. Improved cognitive function and memory. Studies have shown that it can prevent memory loss and improve cognitive function in animal models, and even in humans with mild cognitive impairment. This is partly because fasting can induce biochemical changes like increased superoxide dismutase, activity, and reduced oxidative stress markers. Enhanced metabolic health. It improves glucose tolerance and insulin sensitivity, meaning your body becomes more efficient at handling sugar and preventing issues like type 2 diabetes. It also enhances fat oxidation. Essentially, your body gets better at burning fat for fuel. Cardiovascular benefits. It leads to improvements in cardiovascular markers, including reductions in LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, which are major risk factors for heart disease. Reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a significant contributor to aging and many age-related diseases. IF helps reduce age-associated inflammatory markers like SICM1 and C-reactive protein. Cellular maintenance and tissue regeneration. This is one of the most exciting aspects. Intermittent fasting promotes essential cellular maintenance and tissue regeneration. It activates adaptive cellular stress response pathways, enhances mitochondrial health, and crucially, promotes autophagy. Autophagy is your body's cellular cleanup crew, breaking down and recycling damaged cell components, which is vital for cellular health and longevity. Stem cell function. IF has been shown to enhance intestinal stem cell function and promote tissue regeneration by activating fatty acid oxidation pathways. The circadian connection. And here's a fascinating recent discovery from UT Southwestern. It's not just if you restrict calories, but also when you eat. A study in mice found that timing feedings to match the active period of their circadian cycle extended their lifespan more than caloric restriction alone. Mice that ate their low-calorie diet only during their active period lived almost 35% longer than unrestricted eaters. This suggests that our body's internal clock plays a significant role in how well fasting works, and that a midnight snack might not be the best idea if we're aiming for longevity. So, while weight loss is a common side effect, the real potential of intermittent fasting lies in extending your health span. That's the period of life you spend in good health, free from chronic diseases. By activating these fundamental cellular processes, IF can delay aging and help prevent a whole host of age-associated diseases, including diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, cancers, and neurodegenerative disorders. This concept is supported by a large body of evidence that shows calorie-restricted diets can provide substantial health benefits, including delayed aging. While the promise of intermittent fasting is exciting, it's crucial to approach it with caution. It's always advised to consult a doctor or healthcare professional before starting any new dietary regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions. For instance, certain individuals, like children, underweight people, or those with type 1 diabetes or extreme hypertension, might find fasting harmful without medical supervision. It's not a universal key to aging that will slow everything down for everyone. The science is clear. Intermittent fasting is a powerful tool that, when implemented safely and thoughtfully, can influence key pathways related to aging and contribute to a longer, healthier life. It's about empowering your body's natural repair mechanisms and aligning with its biological rhythms. If you're curious to understand more about how your body responds to aging interventions, I can tell you more about how scientists measure biological age and how it differs from chronological age. Would you like to explore that next? Comment below and subscribe for more.